Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own batch files. Like, for an example, like you can open programs, and you can open also HTTPs so if you right click and then click new and then text documents and then name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine I don't know, CMU, just for an example. And then if I just click right click and then edit, and then if I give it a start, and then this, and then for example I'm going to be opening CMU, so right click CMU or whatever application you're going to be opening, and then click properties, and then copy the target and then paste it here, and then it should be this. And then once you've copied and pasted it, click save, and then click save as CMU, I don't know, some random CMU 24, and then make sure to do a batch. And also, this is really important, set it to save as type all files, and then click save, and then you should see it pop up right there. And if you open this, it should load, and then let CMU load, and then it should open up. And also, let me just show you the demo about Minecraft. And then it should open Minecraft, as you see, and then and then also, if you wanted to open your news source or whatever, like YouTube or whatever, click text document, new YouTube and other, save, open that, and then open up Google Chrome or whatever you're using, Bing, Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and yes, so I'm going to be showing, like, you can do anything like YouTube and Twitter, and also you can do like BBC news, and then just copy the HTML and then click so basically like this. So you should do a start, and then this, and then whatever website. So just click start, and then this, and then Ctrl V, so like youtube.com, and then you could just copy this, and then it's like Ctrl V, like as many times as you want to open, and then next go to Twitter, whatever website, so, and then just paste that, and then click BBC News, and then copy this, and then just paste it here, and then leave a space, and then click save as YouTube and other files .bat, save, and then just open this, and then it should open it. As you see right here, it loaded Twitter and YouTube and then BBC as well. So it's really easy, and yeah. And also, let me just show you again to make it tell you something. So click new. So you should put an echo and then this, and then type whatever you want it to say, and then do that, and then do a pause. Otherwise, if I just remove this pause and then click save as next document to, save it as this, yes, and then you just see it will like open it and then it will close by itself, and then when you put that at pause, it will save as new whatever, and then just click yes, and then you open it, and then it stays there until like you press a key. Yes, and that's it. So bye, and have a safe day.